Free and easy. It can't be hard to make a style with a name like that. I'm going to create this look by using the Pro Care Air Styler. And of course, I'll show you exactly how to do it yourself. First, let me explain something about the Pro Care Air Styler. It was made to protect your hair from overheating. This is because the attachments are designed in a way that they always distribute the heat evenly, even at high temperatures. And it has a thermoprotect setting that provides you with optimal drying temperature. So it's always very kind to your hair. So it's time to create the free and easy style. I've just washed my hair and now need to prepare it for styling by applying a volumizing mousse all over. Make sure you spread it out evenly throughout your hair. This is the flat paddle brush, which is perfect for this look. It's one of 5 attachments which come with the Pro Care Air Styler, and this one gives you naturally straight hair. By using this paddle brush, you can dry the full length of your hair. Just start at the root and work your way down to the tip. So now you want to give the hair around your face some movement. This can be done quite easily, just by turning the brush like that while drying. Now my hair really is free and easy.